Hello friends, welcome to my channel MSM Tech Solution. If you want to download Instagram videos or reels in your mobile gallery, so you clicked on right video. In today's video I will tell you how to download Instagram videos in mobile gallery. So without wasting any time, let's start our today's video. First we will open our Instagram. Now we will copy the link of video which we want to download. Now we will close Instagram and we will open our browser. Now we will search Inflect Insta Downloader. Now we will click on first link. Now we will paste the link here which we copied. It will take some time to load. As you can see, the video which we wanted to download is here. Now we will click on download. So here our video started downloading. As our video is downloaded, now we will play it. As you can see, the video started playing. So here our today's video ends. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.